Tai'an Hongli Machinery Company Limited is a high-quality machinery supplier in China. The company has established a sales and service network in 57 countries and regions around the world. We not only provide our customers with high-quality products, advanced technologies and professional services, but also offer total solutions to meet diversified needs. We continuously create value for our customers and help them achieve success. Our company is willing to cooperate with partners from all over the world to achieve a win-win situation. We look forward to working with you. Please feel free to contact us. This 1.8-ton mini excavator features powerful performance, fuel efficiency, environmental friendliness, and easy transportation. It has an IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating and has passed C/EPA certification. It is suitable for landscaping, residential construction, agricultural projects, municipal maintenance, rental fleets, etc. It comes with a 12-month warranty period. Moreover, we can provide various attachments and custom configurations to meet your diverse job site needs.